Use the Migration Wizard to set up your help desk data migration in minutes. Let's find out how the automated migration service imports records between two help desks. Step 1. Sign up to the Migration Wizard using your preferred method, an SSO method, or your business email. Let's try to sign up with an email address. Enter your full name and work email. You'll receive a confirmation email. Click the confirmation button to verify your email, then set a new password and confirm it. You're all set. Step 2. Start demo migration for a trial run before committing to the full migration. Step 3. Connect your source platform. Depending on the platform, you may need different access credentials. If your platform isn't supported, you can request a custom source. If you have connected the wrong platform, you can revoke access and connect the required one. Step 4. Connect your target platform. The Migration Wizard offers helpful tips on how to gather and generate the required access credentials for each source platform. Remember, for certain platforms, configuring both the source and target connections may be necessary. This includes selecting the required service desk, workspace, issue type, mailbox, etc. Step 5. Select what data you want to migrate. Depending on your source platform, you can migrate help desk records, knowledge base articles, or both. You can import specific records or migrate all data in one go. Just remember, if you choose to import tickets or articles, all related data will be seamlessly migrated as well. Take a look at the left sidebar. There, you can edit data mapping. But once you've mapped data objects, you can't change your source and target platforms. Before you run a demo or full migration, make sure to review the important migration notes. These outline all the pre-migration steps you need to complete. As you go, check off each item on the list to make sure you're fully migration ready. Step 6. Map your data relations. By default, you can configure agent matching, map contact and company fields, handle ticket field mapping, and article mapping. However, some of these features might not be available for some platforms. Let's see how each feature works. Agent matching. Match source users to their counterparts on the target platform. You can't match user profiles if you haven't created them in your target platform beforehand. Set a default agent. This way, you assign all tickets from deleted, inactive, or unassigned users to a specific agent in your target platform. Create any missing users. If your target platform doesn't have a certain agent, you can also add them during the matching process. You have the option to create either one agent or all of them at once in your target platform. If you have identical user profiles on both platforms, they'll automatically match up. Organization field mapping. Map custom field. Before you start, set them up in your target platform. This is crucial because you can't match source custom fields if your target platform doesn't have them. If any field is missing, create them automatically. System fields are automatically mapped and you can't change their mapping. Contact field mapping. Just like with organizations, you'll map custom contact fields from source to target. Make sure the corresponding fields already exist in your target platform before running the demo migration. Similarly, you can create any missing custom field. And again, system fields will be auto-mapped and locked in. Ticket mapping. Start by mapping both default and custom ticket fields from your source to your target platform. As you go, check off each field to track your progress. This way, you can review which fields you've already mapped and which ones you still need to match. System fields are mapped automatically, and you can't change their mapping as well. Ticket custom fields. Map sourced custom fields to the corresponding target fields. Make sure to set them up in your new platform beforehand. You can also create custom fields during mapping. For instance, your target platform lacks a custom decimal field. At the top of the mapping window, choose a required field from the drop-down menu. Then click Add the same field on target, and it appears in your target platform. Keep an eye on required fields. You must map those to avoid migration errors. If your source platform doesn't have a matching field for one in the target, use the Skip this field option to bypass it. Hit Save Mapping to apply your settings when everything looks just right. Last but certainly not least, knowledge base article mapping. This step ensures that each article lands in the correct status, whether it's a draft or published, on the new platform after migration. Step 7. Personalize your import with custom options. Help Desk Migration offers a range of out-of-box customizations of data import to fit your unique business requirements for tickets, organizations, customers, and articles separately. For tickets, you can choose adding a new tag to migrated tickets for organizing the migrated tickets in the target platform. Migrating inline images as attachments to make sure visual context stays intact. Skip attachments if you don't want to include them. Migration Wizard brings them in by default. Migrating call recordings as attachments for further reference. Migrating side conversations as private notes, so your agents don't lose valuable back and forth history. Migrate the newest records first to prioritize the fresh records. Select records for demo, available for both tickets and articles. Handpick records by ID and check how they will migrate. For articles, you can select migrating content translations, but remember to configure the necessary languages in the target platform beforehand. Update internal crosslinks between articles so all links point to the right place. For organizations, you can choose to migrate only records related to other entities. This means only organizations linked to other records, like tickets in your source, will transfer to the target platform. Organizations without any connections won't be included. The same option is available for customers. Migrate only records related to other entities. In this case, only customers associated with tickets in your source will migrate. Customers without clear links to other records won't transfer during the full migration. The automated options vary depending on the source and target platforms you choose. Some features may not be available for every setup. Step 8. Get started with a free demo migration. Try the Migration Wizard by importing 20 tickets and 20 articles from source to target. The Migration Wizard completes your demo in just a few minutes. Once it's done, check how your data appears in the new system. You'll get a detailed migration report showing the status of migrated, skipped, and failed records. If you run into issues or need help interpreting the results, grant our support team access. Need your team to check the migration results? Share access to your free demo with your team members by adding their email and inviting them to check it out. If you have several demo migrations, label them for easy tracking. You can also check migration details for additional information and to archive your data migration. Let's say we've just migrated from Zendesk to Freshdesk. Here's how to review the results. Start by checking the report for migrated, failed, and skipped records. First, review the agent report. Verify the accuracy of source and target record IDs. Copy each agent ID and make sure the matched agents migrated correctly by checking the agent section in your target platform. Keep in mind that some platforms display the record ID in the URL, while others show it above the ticket actions or in a separate column. Watch for these differences while reviewing results. Next, check the companies. Copy each company ID from both platforms. Then open the company section and confirm that the source company transferred correctly. Make sure all custom fields migrated as expected. Now, review the contacts. Use the same approach. Copy the contact IDs, go to the contact section in each platform, and verify that the name, email, and custom fields match. Let's verify the ticket migration. Open the report for migrated tickets and pick any pair of source and target IDs. You can copy IDs or go with clickable links. Check if the ticket name, description, tags, and custom fields migrated correctly. If you used automated options, confirm that side conversations appear as private notes, call recordings show up as attachments, tags were added as expected, and inline images became ticket attachments. You can also verify custom field accuracy. Compare the custom field lists from both the source and target platforms carefully. Use the same process to review ticket, organization, and contact fields. Now, let's move on to knowledge base records. Start by reviewing the article report. Like with tickets, check their accuracy by opening the report, copying article IDs, or using clickable links to compare them side by side. Confirm the article title, description, folder, and category transferred correctly. You can also download all reports as a zip file to involve your team in verifying the data. Moreover, you can use a rollback demo to remove some records from a target platform migrated during a demo migration. In this case, it's tickets and articles. Other imported records won't get removed to prevent data misalignment. If you face any issues during the demo migration, our support team is ready to help. Choose from 3 packages: Standard, Premium, or Signature. For example, the Premium plan lets you re-migrate data within 5 days to fix mapping after migration. The Signature plan offers interval migration to pause migration on workdays and delta migration to move new or updated records if you continue using the source platform during full migration. After your content with the demo migration results, proceed with payment and start your full data migration confidently.